Believe it or not, making Asian cuisine at home can be easy with simple ingredients and easy techniques. Today I'm making Mongolian beef, and it takes less than 30 minutes to make. So let's get started. First, I'm making the Mongolian beef sauce. Over medium heat, I'm adding in 3 cloves of minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger. Then I'm pouring in half a cup of soy sauce. I'm going to mix that together and let it cook for about 10 minutes to soften up the garlic and to infuse the flavors. Then I'm adding in a half cup of dark brown sugar. Well, today I'm using light brown sugar because that's what I had on hand, but I typically use dark brown sugar when I'm making Mongolian beef. Now I need to thicken the sauce, and to do that, I'm adding a cornstarch slurry. It is made of 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water. I'm going to cook that over medium heat for a couple of minutes until it gets to the thickness that I want and it ends up looking more like this. The sauce is done, so I'm setting it to the side while I work on the beef. I'm using a skirt steak for my Mongolian beef, but you can use any type of steak that you like. I find that it's easier to slice beef when it's partially frozen. When the beef is thawed, it's not as easy because you have to try to keep it stable. And when it's completely frozen, you have to struggle a little bit more to make the slices. Now I'm ready to cook the beef. For the Mongolian beef, I put 2 tablespoons of cornstarch in a bowl and mixed it with a half teaspoon of garlic powder and a half teaspoon of onion powder. Then I mixed them together and coated the beef with it and let it rest while my pan heated up. I've got oil in the pan over medium-high heat. I'm going to cook each side for several minutes until they get nice and crispy on each side. Once I'm done cooking all of the meat, it's now time to combine the beef with the sauce. See, I told you it was quick and easy. That's all there really is to it. From start to finish, it took me less than 30 minutes to make this Mongolian beef, and that includes prep. You can cook the green onions in with the sauce if you want to, or sprinkle them on the top like I did, and then serve it with a side of rice. This was too easy and it turned out amazing. Let me know how yours turned out.